My name's C.D. Young, and we use Uber Eats to get more people eating delicious plant-based food. We've always said that we make delicious food that happens to be plant-based. We are all about making people feel good. Our motto is eat plants, feel beautiful. And the point behind that is you do feel better when you eat healthy, you do something good for the planet, and you do something good for animals. I mean, how can you not feel beautiful doing that? Uber Eats has helped us grow and scale our business in ways I could not have imagined. We were having trouble reaching people in the Chicago market that, may be vegan or vegan curious or even just looking for good fast food. And when we partnered with Uber Eats and started doing some promotions together and planning and executing some marketing plans, we really saw just remarkable growth very quickly. Our best-selling burger, my husband's favorite burger, is the Ella Burger. It's just something everyone likes, kids, adults, everyone. And so we took this burger and we ran a special promotion through Uber Eats. That was a game changer for us. We were seeing sales like double. Without Uber Eats, we would have had no way to have that reach that they do when they push on their platform. Since then, we have been able to sustain and pivot and do different things and build on that growth. And it continues to this day. We are a partnership that is built on all the best things. They get what we're trying to do, and they're rooting for us and helping us get to where we want to go. We're a new restaurant. Nobody knows who we are, but now they do. That didn't happen magically. That's why I think, as a team, we're kind of unstoppable.